Now there's a dad who comes in handy with a son who starts to grow, and the other's getting bigger while a mommy hosts the show. It's the Daily Davidson Show. Daily Davidson Show.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, is it my singing? I'm sorry. Good morning, guys. We are getting ready to go to DC. I'm sorry that we're not doing the meetup, but don't be mad at us. We love you guys. And the boys are in here washing themselves up, brushing their teeth. Good job, guys. Keep brushing. Keep brushing. Keep brushing. Tiffany just finished pumping some breast milk. I'm not going to show her, but we're about to be leaving in a second. This is a family trip, so we're going to have some fun, right? Yes. You're only 2 weeks old. How do you feel? Yeah? Explain. Okay. Hey guys, I'm coming to brush your teeth.
It's her first time vlogging in his car.
Yeah. Hey guys, we're on our way.
I was about to say that.
You were about to say that?
Yeah, I fixed my mouth to say it and then you said it.
You fixed your mouth to say it?
Yeah, like my mouth was, I was about to say, and then you said talk, start talking. Look at all 3 car seats in the back.
Yeah, we got like 100 miles to go. We're on our way to DC. And we're gonna go to Haynes Point. Like I said, sorry that we didn't have a meetup, because this was last minute.
Jaden, where are we going? Y'all probably can't hear. What'd you say? To see President Obama. Where does he live?
In the White House.
In the White House? With lots of people? Yeah. So he knows we're going to see President Obama at the White House.
Yeah, we was like, you know where we're going, Jaden? He's like, yeah, we're going to President Obama's house. So he's been saying that all morning.
I'm actually excited because I've never actually toured DC.
She's never seen.
I've never seen the White House in person. I've never seen any of the monuments. Well, besides when we drove past for my sister's baby shower, but I've never actually been in DC.
Now that's not uncommon for people in America, but that's uncommon for somebody who's this close to DC.
Yeah.
To have never seen it.
So I'm excited to see.
Yeah.
The White House. That's what I really want to see. The White House.
She's like, so can I actually see the White House? I'm like, yeah, you can literally walk up to the fence.
But how many times have you been there? Just once?
No, I've been there a few times.
Yeah.
I've been there 3 or 4 times. So I caught up my boy Travis. Hopefully he's gonna be able to meet us up there. He's a DC native. He's from College Park.
Wedding.
Yeah, that was my best man in the wedding. So a lot of you may know Travis from my old videos if you watch me for that long. Yeah, a lot of you may know Travis from my old videos if you watch me for that long.
Track Squad, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
He used to do those skits and stuff. Travis and stuff.
Alright guys, so we made it. We made it. We're here. About to go around and start walking. And I got everything ready. I got my camera. We got strollers. We got towels. You guys have sunscreen on.
I think me and you the only one. Don't have it on.
I know, right? Yeah. Tiffany's mindset is strictly on going to the White House. So as soon as we got here, she's like, I don't see the White House. I don't see the White House. So she's ready to see the White House. Here's Mama.
Well, this is not far at all, man. Last time you parked your car with the meter parking, so we had to rush back.
Yeah.
3 hours we got there, we couldn't see anything.
see it?
You see the water? Soda! Yay! Isn't that cool? Yeah! It's hot out here. It's hot. You trying to get a tan, Mom?
You always talking about somebody looking at where they need to go.
But you standing in my way.
You was walking like this. Dang, Mom.
But you saw me walking, didn't you?
Yeah,
And you waited until I hit you.
Yeah, exactly.
We're about to be at the Lincoln Memorial. And you probably can't see stuff through the trees. Jaden is doing the most right now. That's what I gotta say. Carter's chilling.
This breeze looks so good.
It really does.
You said it's refreshment somewhere?
Yeah, I think there's some over here. This kid. He is Lord. Hopefully we don't get in trouble for vandalizing the monument.
I guess you can put it down.
You gotta change them. Good job. Good teamwork, guys. These hands, guys. You're completely blue. You're a smurf.
Now look at Carter. Here.
You're a smurf. He's in his own little hammock over here.
I don't know how he got down there.
Because you don't have the other strap on. You're practicing. See, you are the image that has the X on it. On the. You are the. Yes. I think you're good, Jay.
That little speedy shirt on.
Well, at least it's a shirt that's clean.
One, yeah.
I like a lot of those too. I can't even.
Hey guys, Tiff mom done left us and she's in the protest right now.
There's
People protesting for deaf rights.
Deaf discrimination. She's in the street somewhere.
She's out here somewhere.
Where is she at?
You said she's doing what?
She was in the street signing "I love you" to people. But I don't know where she's at now.
Yeah, she's in the protest, Chris.
Find a shirt?
We found them. But you loved us. We were scared.
Why not?
We're almost at the White House.
We're going to see one of my son's future house.
Everybody
One of them.
Everybody gonna say Jaden, of course.
Because he looks like a mama.
Well, yeah,
I'm gonna say Chance. Just because everybody probably would say definitely not Chance. But Chance. It's gonna be Chance's future house, y'all.
Yeah, Tiffany.
Chance for president.
Tiffany and Chase been pointing at every building like that's my house. That's the White House.
All the houses look the same. Not houses, but all the buildings look the same.
I'm like, Tiffany should know. I get it if Chase doesn't know. He's not from America, but well, he's not from the United States, but you should know.
They all look the same. I ain't never been out here, you know.
Here's your moment, babe. You're about to see the White House for the
Is that
first
Obama
time.
in the security car?
No, Tiffany.
You might be in there. It's a long way. POC, isn't it?
Yeah.
You hear him? He said that's Obama. He might be in there. Look, Jaden. Look to your left. Look, the White House right here. The White House? Right here, the White House. See the White House? You can't get on the other side?
I mean, you can, but I mean, the reason why I went up here because you can't really see nothing when you get up there.
Okay, let me see. I think he's up there. Let me know here.
Hey, what is wrong? Can you get a picture of me and the children? Hey, you want to get a picture?
This is Obama's house. This is Obama's house.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
She wants to do the tour, y'all.
Now that we saw the outside, I want to see the inside now.
She says she's satisfied.
I am satisfied.
So it was a successful trip so far. Huh? You want to touch it? Touch it with your hands. Is it cold? Water. It's cold?
It's so refreshing.
It is. You a duck, Shayna?
Careful, Jaden. These are all the veterans. Awesome.
Somebody, I think he's right behind you. Ooh, that was my first time seeing the Lincoln. So
That was pretty cool, right?
That's cool. My legs are just burning from going up the stairs.
Finally, my boy Travis here and his family.
Hey!
Hi! Hi!
You know you little girl. Everybody looking at her like, yeah.
Hi!
She's so cute.
What's up, man? How you doing? You getting big, boy. You getting big.
Yes.
Oh, y'all remember Travis, right?
Yeah. Chilling, dog.
What's he doing, man?
What you mean?
Besides growing that beard.
Oh, hair too, dog.
Look, see, I shaved my jaw and then he got this junk on his phone now.
No, bro, no,
You use that curl juice?
Yeah, your little can too. Little can too.
You just ate. You fool.
We are on our way out, so we've been walking for days.
Yeah. And not one of us have bought water.
I know, everybody bought Gatorade, right?
I can Gatorade that out.
My mouth, I feel a little parched.
Chance is drinking water.
He's drinking bad water.
Yeah, so we're headed out. Gotta go get something to eat. We're in the city now. We just had to walk up 3 flights of the parking garage because, well, we didn't even have stairs. We couldn't walk up the stairs, so we had to walk all the way around, like where the cars drive, all the way up 3 flights. Huh?
Look at my face. All sweaty.
Yo, we just.
That was the dumbest parking garage ever.
They had, look, the elevator was only for the residents. It was like everything else was like reserved.
Compact cars.
Compact cars. Oh my god. So we're in the city. We're going to get something to eat. Finally.
So hungry. Tired now.
Yeah.
Thirsty and parched.
Parched. It's crazy. We had to pay $11 to do that. $11 parking for exercise. So we're here at the restaurant.
Patio? Just kidding.
We're here at the restaurant.
In the bathroom? I was so
Crazy. They're playing Ring Around the Tree. I'm sitting here enjoying my little time. Are you enjoying yourself? Chilling. So we here at the restaurant and they put us right next to the window. Look at my back. I can't slide by anymore. I'm right next to the window. What you getting?
I'm about to get the how many pronounce it? The itinerary?
Oh no, I don't think that's how you say it. Yeah, we just gonna say let me get that right there. What you getting?
I'm thinking the double standard.
Double standard?
Yeah.
What's that? Is it a burger?
2 patties.
Ooh.
2 patties of bacon.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna have to do that.
Yeah, that burger.
Yeah.
When I'm always shooting, you get a burger, it feels so right. You get a burger, it's hard.
Did he sleep now?
Yeah.
Leisha, can you wave? She's over there.
Everybody's okay?
Yeah.
What's he doing?
What was that?
You got that big bird, Kyrie. You gonna eat all that? Oh, you better. I'm gonna eat it if you don't eat it.
That means it's good.
It's food. Here.
I don't know why they bought it like that anyway.
I know. You know, kids.
She's gonna do it again. But you don't want it. It's good.
All right, so this is my food. Got a double standard. Got the 2 patties, some bacon in there. It's in there somewhere. It's in there somewhere. Got the American cheese. Got the Swiss cheese. Got this big old piece of lettuce. Chase got the same thing. Chase got the same thing.
Ground beef, bacon.
I saw one that had like
Chelsea trying to make us all look fat. You trying to make us look fat because you got the salad. Yes. So we gotta get neck braces. Right now I got this do-rag on. We got do-rags on right now. This is the first time I want to do-rag? This is the first time I want to do-rag?
Let me see what I look like.